Hey all, those who are new to my channel, this is Lavanya. I've been making videos but haven't been consistent. I'm very sorry about it. Today I'm going to show you certain products that I received for free. Well, when I say something as free, I know it's a very interesting term, especially for Indians, and we enjoy free products. So like that, so one day I was just sitting and completely bored, not really sure what to do, as I was really so dependent on someone, and I was just not able to figure out what I have to be doing. So that's when I have been checking Google, and I've been googling a lot to find what are the opportunities that we have for women, and that's how I could figure out that there is a website called Influenster in the US. I'm really sorry, there is nothing for us, especially in India. I'm really very sorry about it. But especially if you are a celebrity or if you are a star, that is when you get free products in India, especially. But in the US, we have something called Influencer. So where we get products when we review, when we start. When we create an account and we review what all we have, then influencers start sending us surveys, and that's how they will, based on our responses, they will select us and give free products to review on their website. So like that, I received plenty of products which I'm going to show today. And this is for all, not just the gender, but it's for everyone who feel like doing something and just receiving and doing just basically this. So it's all for you. So it's up to you if you want to join or not. But I really want to encourage everyone who is at home, not really sure what you can do, then you can do this. So what all I received on this website, let's see. So this one is a deo, and this deodorant, I don't really use much of deos, but this is a very nice one. Something that I really loved trying, and I really enjoyed using it because it's aluminum free, parabens free, and I think it's all such a natural deodorant and something that I've been liking a lot and love this. The brands that we get from this website is amazing. I have never really expected it. I'm very happy about it. And the other one, which is the Augustinus butter, which I already reviewed on my channel. You can check out the serum benefits and all. Yeah, but this is a serum, and very interesting serum. The other one which I really enjoyed the most is a concealer and the foundation, and this is Too Faced. Come on, receiving a Too Faced product is an amazing thing. I love Too Faced products, and both are really amazing. I loved trying these products, and these are something that I swear by. And the other one is the ELF. This is a CC cream in this shade. I think it's the very lighter shade to my skin tone. When they give the survey, we have to be selecting foundation that's really matching to our skin. And I really couldn't find much of the choices for my skin. So this is actually in a lighter shade, but I still use it sometimes. I think I'm trying to give it to my sister. So let's see, because it matches to her skin tone more than mine. And this is with sunscreen. Wow, I love products with sunscreen. And this is very interesting. This is a chapstick that I received, and pumpkin pie chapstick. I love this product. Oh my god, something that I haven't really used yet, and I received it in 3 packs. Wow, amazing. So I'm going to post all the pictures that I received so far, and some of them I don't have the products here, but I still have received those. So yeah, I love using this lip balm or chapstick, but I'm not really sure if this has SPF in it, but lip balms to have SPF because that's essential. Very recently I received this one. Haven't really tried much, but I think I have read the reviews as well that people have been loving using this product. And this is a SPF sunscreen, and I think it just came in a very small size. I think it's like a travel size or something, and for water resistant. And oh my god, this is very amazing. Shiseido is a very amazing brand. And I heard that we kind of receive great products from this website. And the other one which I received is a travel pack. This is like free sample, sorry. And this one, which is like a, so basically this has to be used along with our detergent or liquid detergent or anything, and then it has to be mixed, which will keep our clothes odorless, and all the sweat and all can be just easily cleaned by this particular powder. So these are the entire products that I received, and I enjoyed using these products. And yeah, I haven't really shared this one. This is a dry shampoo that I received. I also received something called cough gummies, and so these two and the gummies, which I don't have now. So these are something that I don't use much, but these are also essential, but I don't use much. So such a great website. I think you can just check out. I'll also give you the link so that if you are in the US, you can try out and receive the free products. Yeah, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.